Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to find stored passwords on Windows 11. If your PC saved your Wi-Fi password, website password or app login details, you can easily view them using built-in Windows settings. So let's get started. So firstly, open Windows setting, press Windows plus I to open settings. Now go to accounts, scroll down and click on sign in options. Here you will find different security and password settings for your Windows account. Here you will see. So step 2, open password manager. To view saved website password, open your browser. If you use Microsoft Edge, click on three dots, scroll down, open settings, go to profiles, then click on passwords. Here you can see all saved usernames and passwords. Whenever you enter your screen your laptop password, it will show you easily. So number 3, find saved Wi-Fi passwords. For this you can click on start menu. Here you will search for control panel, then open control panel, then go to network and internet, then open network and sharing center, and click on connect your Wi-Fi name. This is your connected Wi-Fi. Then select wireless properties, then open security tab. Here you will see, click on show characters, the password will be easily shown to you. So step 4, using credential manager. Windows also stores some apps and network password inside credential manager. Go to start menu. Here you will search for credential manager. Tap to open it. Here you can manage saved password, window credentials and web credentials. You can easily click on show to show the password easily. And that's it. This is how you can find stored passwords on Windows 11 quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.